Park for Street Car Takeover Edgewater. Been here a few times. Enjoy this track, quarter mile and HRA. Done Street Car Takeover, Cincy Street Nights, a few other things. So we will get in here, get set up, get teched in, and start racing tonight on Friday and also tomorrow on Saturday. So good track, lots of fun. Excited to get back out and race once again. And so we're in the gates, and now I need to get the car out and get in the tech line and get teched. Friday is going to be roll racing. I'm going to go ahead and enter. I don't know where we'll be. Maybe we'll end up in King of the Bakery. Last year, I won King of the Bakery here. There wasn't a ton of cars. It was the first event. I think there was only like 4 cars, but got to race Justin and Nemo, and it was a lot of fun. So I'm going to try a couple things I did in the computer, play around with some tuning, and see what it does. It's a little bit warmer than I thought it would be, but yeah, we'll still have some fun.
Run you guys through, and then we'll do some test and tune roll races if you guys are here just running test and tune. Then we'll call up the second qualifier right back up, and after we do that second qualifier, we'll split the classes up into 4 different groups, and then we'll start eliminations shortly after that. The roll racing stuff is super fast paced, so if you're roll racing and you have a car that needs 40 minutes in between runs, it's not going to be for you. We try to keep the roll racing as street car as possible, and the way we do that is make it super fast paced. A lot of you guys that have like really fast cars that need a lot of cool down time, stick to drag racing. I don't know what to tell you. But that's the way we do the roll racing, and it kind of keeps it a level playing field at that point too. The fastest class is going to be King of the Bakery. It's unlimited. You can go as fast as you want in that class if that's what you qualify. And then the 3 classes below will have a mile-per-hour index, which means you can't go faster than that mile per hour, and we don't know that until after you guys qualify. We'll have it listed, but just know when you go out there, if you're in, say, extreme roll class, you can't go faster than, I'll just pull a number out of my head, like 152. That's going to be like the index. So if you go faster than that, you're out.
Car on the left lane setting the pace at 40 miles per hour. They roll together.
So we made our first roll test hit and went pretty good. Seems like the rolling anti-lag that I set up is working, so something new that I've never done before. Made like 8 pounds or something on the hit. Did it like low 20s going out the back door with like 145 or something, so I don't think we're gonna bother with it anymore. I'm not super interested in how tonight goes. Just having some fun, so we're just probably gonna sit out Q2 and I'm gonna take some videos so you guys can see some of the cars making some passes, and then we'll go ahead and figure out how things line up and get ready for round 1 of roll racing. So we'll see how it does.
Alrighty, so Jeremy Ortiz in the left lane, Edward Lowry in the right lane. Out of green. Just in time to turn the start good. Ortiz got his hands full with a little BMW. Gets there just enough. 140.
Am I too close?
You are now.
Is this close?
Yeah.
Am I loud enough?
I don't know.
Okay, anyways. We're in the lanes for round 2 of roll racing. I raced a BMW who picked up 12 mile an hour magically, so that was fun. We ran exactly the same, not messing with it. Anyhow, we're just having fun. So on to round 2. All right, well, I'm back in the lanes in the car to rerun the semifinals. I won, but the mile an hour didn't show up on my side, so my competitor doesn't trust it. So we have to rerun. Even though I said I'd pull a data log and show him I didn't go over the speed, but oh well. So as long as he doesn't play some games, it should be all right.
A little bit extreme back here against the fence. We got Jeremy Ortiz in the left lane. And here we go with Extreme. Extreme final going around the tower. Like I said, don't forget down there, tower side, you can see that white two-story building down there. That is the first round lounge.
We finished up the finals of the roll racing. I ended up getting runner-up, which, again, we just jumped in for some fun. So we ended up breaking out, which I figured we might. I thought I had it dialed in, but the air's pretty good, so the car was pretty happy. Either way, got a little bit of money, pretty much pays for our entry tomorrow. So, free run tomorrow, and we're going to hang out, party a little bit, and get ready for some dig racing tomorrow. All right, gentlemen. Day 2 of Street Car Takeover Edgewater, just outside of Cincinnati in Ohio. We got some sausage going. Ooh, hear that sizzle. Hear that sizzle.
Gourmet pancakes.
And some gourmet pancakes, baby. A little breakfast, get our tune set, and let's go do round 1 or Q1 of street racing class. Coming up in 2 hours, although it's really cold, so they'll probably delay it, but we'll see. All right, it's finally Saturday, so time to start doing some dig racing. We had the drivers meeting, and what we're gonna do is we're racing street racer. So we're gonna go make our qualifying pass number 1, and then Justin's gonna call us up and we're gonna go do a cruise, 20, 25 miles, something like that. Come back, and then we're gonna do our second qualifier. And from there, they'll be able to put us on the ladder, figure out where we fall. There'll be 3 classes. I think there's like a mild, wild, and then heads up extreme. Probably fall somewhere in the middle would be my guess. We did swap out CO2 bottles, so hopefully we're good there. We're about to find out after this pass. But anyhow, shoot for somewhere in the 8s. Track's good, weather's awesome, so let's go get to it. So hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. Comment down below what your favorite part was and what you want to see in the future. Ready?
All right, what we about to do?
Q2 Street Racer coming up. I'm gonna not screw up this time. Go faster. All right, round one, Street Racer. We're in the, what class is this? Mild, the medium class. 830 breakout. Sorry, my mind's all over the place. Anyways, we were the slowest car, but we were trying some stuff that didn't seem to work. So we got a tune in it. We'll see what it does. Chip draw, I don't know. It's a crapshoot at this point, so let's just go have some fun.
He runs a 12-0. He still wins the race because he was the closest without going under. So if both of you break out, say the index is 850, you run an 849, and he runs a
Hey, it's the same one we started with last night.
You win because you win.
Same one. Alrighty, so we finally got through round one, and what I mean by that is we had to rerun round one. The track messed up the tree and put me in red like 2 seconds in, so they admitted it was wrong. We reran. I went a 47 on the tree, and by the 8th mile I looked back and I don't know if he had an issue or something, but I didn't see the car, so we just kind of rolled through the lights there, which is nice because the car is still cool. We don't have to pack the chute, mess with anything because they're probably going to turn us around pretty quick. Had a few oil downs today, so they're a little behind on the time, so they'll probably try to pace this up. So anyways, hit the tune, get a cold drink, and get ready for round two. You good? All right. So cars are in the lanes, 6 cars left. We're running the beautiful red Fox body up front, so we're the first pair. We're going to get lined up once these cars get rolling, and see what happens, see where the tune is, and see if we go to the wrap. You guys want to hear what's going on?
Yeah, let's hear it.
All right, fine. Semifinals, street cars. We haven't drawn chips. Hopefully we get to buy. If not, we're gonna race. Hopefully we win. Chip draw, got the buy. Send it.
Heavyweight final. Let's get you down here. Heavyweight final to 10. Heavyweight final to 10. When they brought back the final, I was kind of upset, but then after I seen how they
Coming to you live from the back of my trailer. So we just wrapped up racing for the weekend, and to do a little recap, we played around in the rolls yesterday, went to the finals, got runner-up in the, I think, extreme rolls or something. I can't remember what the class is called. And then today we started off with dig racing, ended up in Street Racer Mile, the standard class that I've been running for the last 3 or 4 years. Car was acting weird all weekend long, and it progressively got worse. And in the semifinals, we realized that the crossover has a hole in it for the turbo exhaust, so we've been leaking out of there, and it's just causing some havoc. So for the finals, we went ahead and did a burnout, acted like everything was good, hoping maybe the guy would red light and we'd take the win, but he was good on the tree, and we just backed the car up and decided to save it for another day. So a little bit of work to do between now and Street Car Takeover Indy round 2. So we'll go ahead and figure out what's going on with it, but walked away with a couple $100 in cash. So we'll put that towards fixing what we need to do and be ready for the next one. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.